Private dealers in Pakistan have turned to Iran for cheaper fuel as a result of the country's inflation rate reaching all-time highs over the past few months. This comes as the country's economy is in the midst of a crippling economic crisis and a shortage of foreign exchange reserves. Let us learn more about the hidden fuel source that private dealers in Pakistan are turning to in the midst of the country's current economic crisis. Find out the reasoning that went into making this contentious decision, and get an overview on the potential effects it could have on the country. The refinery sources and market analysts stated that the popularity of Iranian oil had a negative impact on local refineries' volumes and was projected to have a negative impact on their sales in the second quarter of 2023. As a result of the weakening economy and individuals using public transit due to rising costs, local refineries were already experiencing a drop in demand. In Pakistan, the average retail price of diesel in recent months was Pakistani rupee 288 per litre, whereas Iranian fuel has been selling for as little as Pakistani rupee 230 per litre, generating respectable profits for private dealers. Pakistan has been prohibited from importing Iranian oil since the United States sanctions the neighboring nation's commerce in petroleum and petrochemicals in 2013. According to sources from the refinery and analysts working for Inside Securities, the authorities were allegedly covering up the imports because their foreign reserve funds were running low. A private dealer was quoted by GeoTV as saying, "Infiltration of Iranian diesel is growing, and it could substitute as much as 25 to 30% of Pakistan's total diesel sales." Because Iranian oil has never been on this huge and unparalleled scale in the South Asian country, local refineries in Pakistan are on the verge of closing down. It is important to mention that earlier this year, Iran established 6 border markets in order to promote trade with Pakistan, which is currently experiencing a crisis. Hassan Nourain, who is the Iranian Consul General, stated that the target for the bilateral trade relationship has been set at $5 billion. He went on to say that although Pakistan and Iran enjoy cordial relations, business ties between the two countries have not progressed as rapidly as they ought to have up to this point.